Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and oh my goodness, does it feel like it's been such a long time since I last recorded, and that's probably because it has been a long time. It's probably been a few months since I last uploaded, and I am so sorry about that. These past few months, it's been absolutely crazy, and for those who have been following me on my social media accounts, I have actually moved, so I was actually dealing with a lot of the moving stuff, and just some crazy things happened, and it just prevented me from uploading because I didn't have access to my computer, which really made it tough for me to even make any art videos to begin with, which sucked because I really missed recording and uploading. So I just wanted to let you guys know and keep you all updated on what's been going on, and just to kind of let you guys know that I haven't forgotten about this channel. I'm not going to disappear. I really like working with this channel and making art videos for you all, and so I'm happy to say that from now on I'm going to do my best to upload regularly. My schedule probably will change. I used to upload every Friday, so it may be the case where I upload every Saturday. So if anything though, I will let you guys know when everything is final. But for the time being though, I'm really happy to say that things are finally feeling like they're going back to normal, and I have my computer set up so I can have access to my editing software, and I can finally get back into recording videos. And I actually managed to record this mandala drawing on my phone, which really wasn't any big issue, except the fact that my phone is almost pretty much taken up with space by, with pictures or videos, so I really don't have much space on the phone to really work with. But now that I have my computer, it'll make it a little bit easier for me to record and even upload, so I'm really happy to say that that's going to be improved a lot. As far as my new place, I'm really happy to say also that I have finally moved. I finally got my own, my own apartment, and I'm really excited to kind of share my life with you all, because I wanted to change up this channel just a little bit and offer some different kind of content for you all. So if you like these videos and you're excited to see what kind of content I have to share with you all, stay tuned on my channel. And for those who have stayed patient as far as when I'm gonna upload my next video, thank you so much for all your patience and all your love and support. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but majority of my audience is from India, so shout out to India. I get so much love and support from India. You guys are amazing, and I just want to personally say thank you so much again for all the support that you all give me. It really means a lot to me, and I'm so happy that you find my art videos helpful to you all, and I really hope that I can continue inspiring you all to be creative and to continue making art that makes you happy and that makes other people happy. So thank you again for all your patience and for all your understanding and for sticking by me, because to this day it still is crazy to think that my channel has reached the point that it has, and so it wouldn't have happened if it wasn't from the support that you all give me. So thank you again, and I will keep you all updated on when videos are going to come. And if you enjoy this video, stay tuned for more videos. I'm pleased to say that things are going to start improving, so that's a really big sigh of relief. So I hope you guys enjoy this mandala video. It's pretty easy, it's really repetitive, so if you enjoy that kind of stuff, you'll enjoy this kind of mandala as well. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your patience and for all your support, and I'll see you soon. Bye.